Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Blox Fruit thumbnail. First, let's dive into the fundamentals of what makes a great thumbnail. A strong thumbnail grabs attention and clearly communicates your video's content at a glance. We'll cover planning your concept, selecting the right character, and choosing an engaging background. This initial planning phase is crucial for creating a visually appealing and effective thumbnail that stands out among hundreds of others. It sets the stage for a successful design. Next, let's talk about the tools and assets you'll need. You'll want to gather high-resolution Blox Fruit character models, fruits, and other in-game elements. Many creators use software like Adobe Photoshop or free alternatives such as Photopea for editing. Make sure your chosen assets are either already transparent or can be easily cut out. Having a good collection of assets ready will significantly speed up your design process and allow for more creative freedom. Now, let's get into the actual design process. Start by placing your main character in a dynamic pose, typically occupying about 2/3 of the thumbnail space. Add engaging text that clearly states your video's topic, using a bold font with a strong outline for readability. Experiment with vibrant colors and special effects like glows, shadows, and particle effects to make your thumbnail pop. Remember, clarity and visual appeal are paramount for attracting viewers. Finally, it's time to export and optimize your masterpiece. Export your thumbnail in a high-quality format such as PNG or JPG. The standard resolution for YouTube thumbnails is 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels tall. Aim for a file size under 2 megabytes to ensure fast loading. Always double-check how your thumbnail looks on different devices before uploading. A well-optimized thumbnail ensures maximum visibility and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.